Hello, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. So, I would like to share with you guys like one topic is there I got like the time is around 1 o'clock, but I want to share with you guys one important topic. Video will be very short video because the time is running and 1 o'clock a.m. Yeah, it's going to be. But I want to talk with you guys. The topic is like self confidence. So, how to gain your confidence? I will tell you guys. Don't worry, watch till end, and please, if you did not subscribe my channel, go and subscribe my channel and comment if you like the video. Okay? Actually, I'm new on YouTube, so I don't know that much. But yeah, whatever I know, I will do. So let's get started. So first of all, I would say what is confident. Like when we do something and anybody says not to do, but we know this is the right and wrong. What is right and wrong? We know, yeah, this thing if I'm doing this is correct. That is confident. Confident come from ourselves, inner self. Like in my childhood, I was very self. Like I don't have that much self confidence that ki I should focus on myself. Like I was very much introvert type of girl. But now I have self confidence. Like I can do this, I can do that also. I can do everything. I can do anything. I have such I can do. So basically, the thing was like, कि the people are saying me कि she cannot gain the knowledge, she cannot do this, she cannot do that. But I was also listening by them, and I was also getting influenced because if the people who are around you, like around you, if they are saying something like from every day, every time, then you will also have like why they are saying, do I'm that much bad or that much problematic things are going on. So it was with me like the people who are around me and they are saying very bad things about me. So I was also not having that much knowledge, and I actually now I am in a very good condition and position. Like now I'm living in a city. Before I used to live in a village. So because of all that, I was thinking ki, yeah, what is going in my life, what the shit is was going in my life. If I think in my past, it was a very big story. If I think yeah, if I can leave all that and I can just move on from all that, then why cannot I have so much self confidence, like nobody can break me now. Like nobody can break me from anything. If people says anything bad about me, I just listen. I don't even listen them. I don't even listen them. But but you know why people are saying you? Because they want you to don't, like they want you to not get success in, not get don't achieve. You don't, like they are just trying you to pull down because they are thinking that you are so weak. Because the people who are around you, they know your weakness, and the same thing was it with me. The people who was around me, they know my weakness, कि I cannot shout, I cannot say anything, I cannot stand for myself. The day I started taking the like stand for myself, the people was like, oh Amrita, this is that Amrita only. Oh, this is that Amrita. What a big change for her. Now I stand for myself. First of all, stand for yourself. When the day you will stand for yourself, you will have the confidence like I can do anything. And now I can stand for myself. If I'm not wrong, I can stand and I can say that key, yeah, I did not do that anything. I did not do anything. Whatever people want to think, If the people will not, first of all start valuing yourself, guys, please start valuing yourself. The day you will value yourself and you will start loving yourself, the day you will have that self confidence like anything. So I also gained my self confidence like when I started taking the like rights for myself ki no, this is wrong, no, the Amrita, this is going wrong with you should take a stand for yourself. And now if I'm wrong, then I will see ki what should I do. If I'm not wrong, I I have to take my stand, and I definitely take my stand. I definitely take my stand, and nobody can stop me from that. Nobody can stop me from that. Even no one. Not even my parents. Because I know I am doing wrong. I know that where I have to take stand for myself. And always, guys, please love yourself. Stop loving anyone else. The day you will love yourself, you will have the self-confidence. In love, the people sacrifice the self-love. I know that. Because you are giving that love, what you have to give yourself, you're giving to someone else. And that people really don't care. So please, guys, stop caring about anyone. First care about yourself. You should be your first favorite person. Getting my point? They are just here to pull you down. You have to rise like a sun. So please, please, please start loving yourself, and please take care of yourself. If you are not like good enough, you're not in a good looking, then just go and look in a mirror and start like loving yourself. Ki God has given you the beautiful face. God has given you a beautiful personality. Everybody is not perfect, guys. Everybody is not perfect, but you have to love yourself, because the better plans God already decided for you and for me also. Before, in my childhood, I was so weak. I was very dark in color, and the people used to say, she is a black girl. She is sorry, brownie girl. Brownie girl, yeah. But and I think, yeah, why God only gave me this kind of color, and why now I think why. The day I started loving myself, I do really don't. The day when I started loving myself, I really don't care about the colors. Seriously, and I just love myself. Anybody do or not, but I do. I do love myself so much, so much. Not even like I cannot explain how madly I'm in love with myself. So please stop caring about anyone else. First, care about yourself. If you started, if you will care about yourself, then only the people will come to you. If you will take care of yourself, of your skin, then only the people will get attracted. First of all, take care of your own things, not about anyone else. God has given the life to them, and they will take care of their self, and they have to take care of their self. First, you take care. You have the rights for yourself, not for anyone else. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you like. If you got some knowledge, if you really, really a little bit also, if you like my content or something, so please, guys, please support me. Like, please, not. I'm not just asking for anything. Just for a small subscribe. Your one subscribe and motivate me more and more and more. Like and comment, and what the things, like if you guys will tell them what the topics you want, so I can explain that also, because I know like not that much experience, but yeah, life teaches a lot, a lot, a lot, a lot. So what we learned today: start loving your own self, okay? Then the people will love you. So take care. Bye. Good night.